Have you ever wondered how to modify integers based on whether they are odd or even? Imagine you have a list of integers. Your task is to double every even number and quadruple every odd number in that list. Then you sum up all these modified numbers. The result? A single, potentially large integer. For instance, if your list is 4, 5, 2, 8, 7, the resulting sum would be 68. Sounds complex, doesn't it? Well, worry not, because today you will learn a step-by-step solution for this problem.
The code provided is a C program that performs a specific task based on user input. It starts by prompting the user to enter an integer n, representing the count of integers to be processed. Then, it proceeds to accept n integers separated by spaces. After storing these integers, it iterates through each integer in the array. For every even number encountered, it doubles the value, and for every odd number, it quadruples the value. The code keeps track of the sum of these modified integers. Finally, the program outputs the total sum of the modified integers. This code follows the problem statement's guidelines accurately, ensuring that even numbers are doubled and odd numbers are quadrupled before summing up all modified integers.